Hey guys, welcome back to Niles tutorial with your trainer Bhavna. We are going to have a glance on phrasal verbs using go. So first one is go against, means to oppose or resist something, किसी चीज के खिलाफ जाना. For example, you are going against the law of nature. The case might go against you if you don't do something. Here is go ahead, means to start or continue to do something. आगे बढ़ना या फिर शुरू करना. For example, go ahead and get over your negative thinking. Unless you try, you can't say whether you succeed or not. So go ahead and try your best. Go down or go up. Go down means to reduce or to go down. नीचे जाना या फिर कीमत घटाना. Go up means to increase or go up. कीमत बढ़ाना या फिर ऊपर जाना. For example, price of petrol and diesel are not going down. The Indian rupee is likely to go up against the US dollars. Go off means भटक जाना और किसी चीज का बंद हो जाना जैसे for light or to burst with a loud bang. For example, humanity is going off track. No sooner did I enter my room than the light went off. The bomb went off with a loud bang in a crowded place. Next we have is go out means to put out or extinguish. बुझाना या फिर बुझ जाना. For example, who went out the fire? The candle went out because of the gust of the wind. Yellow pants went out after a short season of popularity. Go with, to accept or agree to something. किसी चीज का मेल खाना or to go together. I think this tie will go with that blue shirt. Disease often goes with poverty. Go by means to pass by or pass से निकल जाना. For example, 5 years went by. Time goes by like a dream. Go back on means to back out, पीछे हटना या फिर मुकर जाना. Don't go back on your promise, or you can say don't back out from your promise. He always goes back on his words. But I'll stick to my words and catch you in the next video.